Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new property that we have for rent right now. This is 40 Park Street, Unit 1, and it is a 3-bed, 1-bath on the first floor in Clinton, Mass. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in here. This is the main living room. There's an electrical room right here. It's also got the washer dryer hookups. Please check the description for if this washer machine is included, but it's definitely got at least the hookups. And it's got nice of the vinyl flooring going throughout. The kitchen's tile, which is actually, it's nice to have that combination. Here's the bathroom. So you get the full bath here, granite style countertop with the full shower and bath and toilet. Just give you a good idea of the space in here. So easily enough to like walk around, everything like that. There's the thermostat there. It's right across from this cubby area. So this could be anything. This is where you get a chance to be like really creative because, it's not really big enough for like a couch or like maybe a recliner, right? Here's the kitchen. Also, I just want to mention the forced air heating that's going throughout. But this is the kitchen. So you got really, really nice finishes in the kitchen. You got the stainless steel electric stove, as well as the microwave and fridge, which is on my left. And garbage disposal, functional. That's the garbage disposal. There's the fridge over there. And it's nice, you save a lot of space because it's in this kind of cutout. Then you've got the dining room dedicated over here. There's more of that tile flooring, and it really makes the kitchen look very big, especially if you're on this side. So easily enough to have a dining room table over here and the full furniture set in the living room over there, which is really nice. This is the first bedroom. It's gonna be the one closest to the door. So you can get a good idea of the closet size. So there's 2 closets in here, actually. And the closets have outlets, which is nice in case you have something that you need to plug in that's gonna be in the closet. And that's the other closet. So 2 closets, equal size, and the vinyl flooring goes through them. Just kind of back up one more time to give you another look at this room. And another thing is it's got this cutout here to just let a little bit more of the natural light in. So really nice to see that. Then we get to the second half of the house, which is going to be all down this hallway. So bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, and then the rear exit. This is bedroom number 2. It's probably going to be the smallest out of the 3, but still pretty spacey in here. Enough room for like a queen size bed, a dresser, a TV. There's the closet over there. Definitely the first bedroom is going to have, I believe, the most closet space. But yeah, that's bedroom number 2. And here we are, finally. This is bedroom number 3. So kind of an elongated bedroom. It's lengthwise, hot dog, not hamburger. And it does look really nice in here. The finishes of this vinyl flooring in particular looks really cool. And there's a closet over there as well. Just gonna give you another chance to see the size. And then over here is the rear exit. So it's a common area, shared space, but it's more of a fire exit. And yeah, that was 40 Park Street, Unit 1 in Clinton, Mass. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.